Hello everybody, it's Nerdcore here. I am back with a new reaction, and I'm finally reacting to someone that I'm surprised I never really have taken the time to properly react to them. Hopefully I'll change in the future, but we're finally reacting to a ConnorQuest video, even though I've listened to ConnorQuest a good amount. We're reacting to his Makima rap, Take Control. It's a ChainsawMan rap. You know the deal about Makima, especially fellow manga readers. So let's see what Connor's got, because we've heard Rustage. Has Schwabby made a Makima rap yet? We've heard, right. Oh my god, how many people? Oh, Hala, there's been a couple of people, but anywho, enough of all the talking, enough of the game plan. Let's get into this. That you'll be my pup. Because that's the whole place with the whole dog thing says, when Mike says, you either say yes or wolf. I don't need a dog that says no. So yeah.
Tethered with the chain dust, they can never not debate us. Got certain reputations. Picture me and the devils with their paint, but don't you tell me with the same brush. When I deal my hand, it's an ace flush. I've been waiting, but I'm running out of patience. Time to pick your ultimatum, but the pen don't speak, better stay hush. I don't want to hear a.
I just said that too. I literally just said that. She says, I don't need a dog that says no. Oh my god, Makima wasn't reckoned with.
Time to pick your ultimatum, but the pen don't speak, better stay hush. I don't want to hear a word, I know you clearly heard. I adhere to hers to get slaughtered, they merely blur. I am what they fear the worst, I'm the whispered murmurs in the nearest church. Let the old eras burn, a new dawn trying to pair them earth and make them fear disperse. I will be the one on top of mountain of bones as I throw peering down at the cowards below. I take control.
I can't get over how well they did this scene in the anime. That scene let me know when I first read the manga, I think a year or two before the anime even came out, actually probably a year and a half, that Makima was a force of nature. But fun fact about her name, Makima actually is Japanese for domination, which fits perfectly considering how cool, calm, collected she is. And Connor's spitting about how about the cowards below, because literally this woman has a lot of power. She's not just a figurehead; she is a force of nature in itself. If you've seen the NR of her and Gojo in the same page together, I've even made my own. It's it makes sense because they're both powerful forces, and Makima, I think, is it goes along with the Joker said in Dark Knight. What happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object? In that case, Makima's the unstoppable force, while Gojo's the immovable object. So, yeah.
Countdown to the 1, 2, 3. When you CEO, there's no off-duty.
Oh!
Poncho chair and a boss two-piece. Hit the bottom of the chain and some washed blue jeans. Now the jewel for the crown and I drop rupees. Same prick from the start and I won't do these because I know best. I got what you need and I won't take no from an answer. Make a scream.
Oh! My god, that rhyme scheme was nuts. Because, it went to the 1, 2, 3, piece. Wait, yeah. So.
Countdown to the 1, 2, 3. When you CEO, there's no off-duty. Head honcho chair and a boss two-piece. Hit the bottom of the chain and some washed blue jeans. Now the jewel for the crown and I drop rupees. Same prick from the start and I won't do these because I know best. I got what you need and I won't take no from an answer. Make a scream. Swerving dice with an emergency siren. The purge is now your best. Pray to a false god, pulling from the soul, plus the titan and prone as I raise these hands and I make my demands with a bang, bang, bang. But we came.
Oh! Wait, when he said bang, 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 did they put that spoiler in there? Well, spoiler for you anime onlys. I know what it is.
I just know you best say, pray to a false god, pulling from the soul, plus the titan and prone as I raise these hands and I make my demands with a bang, bang, bang. But we can't
Nope, oh, they didn't. Okay, it's good. Let go. That was sick, Connor. That was awesome. Oh my god, finally got a proper ConnorQuest reaction on here, and it's from one of my favorite ChainsawMan characters. Yes, I like Makima. Get over it. To some of y'all, she's mid. I like her because of how she's written. And also, I like redheads. So, tomato, tomato. I don't care. I'm just saying. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe and share. I'm out. Bye.